Welcome to the traditional Latin Mass, the one Father Faber calls the most beautiful thing this side of heaven.
Do you know that the Mass is the highest and the greatest prayer you can ever say? Do you know that at the time of the Mass there is nothing more important in heaven or on the earth? Do you know that at the Mass the angels and saints come to ask God for all your petitions? To attend Mass, however, and gain all these benefits, you need to be properly composed and be of the right disposition. To do this, you need to be calm and recollected. There is one Mass that makes all these requirements easy. The Mass that made all the saints, the traditional Latin Mass, propagated by the popes and approved in the Lagos Archdiocese by our good Bishop, Archbishop Alfred Martins.